What inspired you in politics?
It's a great question, ma'am. Uh, if I talk about my childhood, I think in my society there are lots of crime and education level is not a qualitative that time. So that's why I chose to change that scenario of the society.
Okay, sir. So, what will you do if you get a chance to do a employment to increase the education for our children and who does not have enough money to get their children?
Okay. Uh, you are talking about those who don't have money,
Enough money.
enough money
Yeah.
to you can see that the scheme free education, and you can see the our constitution, it's a fundamental right to uh, elementary free elementary education.
But, sir, there are some points over here that people are claiming that they are not getting that facilities as up as you have said,
What type of facility you are talking about?
education facility.
Yeah, we are doing improving currently. You can see the scenario of the NEP 2020. It's a biggest change in our country after so many years. The last education policy was in 1986, and after that a long time it will be a basic and fundamental structure of education.
Sir, there are many farmers in Haryana. They are not getting an employment from their agriculture. What will you say about it?
Okay, you are talking about farmers.
Yes,
Uh,
sir. They are
Protesting.
protecting also.
You know about the protest. If you look at their demands, uh, if we provide the MSP, if we make the MSP low, then it will be difficult to be a member of WTO. It denied the rules of the WTO. That's why our government is not making that type of law, which is which will be a barrier to our membership of WTO at international level.
Sir, there are many women who is unemployment. So what will you do to employment them?
Giving so many skills to the uh, women empowerment, or to give the employment them there is a skill university also established in Faridabad.
Sir, there are many employed workers who is getting low wages. What will you do? As they are working hard and doing 24 hours job, instead they get low wages.
No, I don't see anywhere in Haryana state low wages will be is there. I don't see anywhere in Haryana that like of staffs.
Okay, sir. So there are child labor case also. The people in restaurant or household workers who who allowed people to children to do work, and they get they do not get an educations, and they are implementing them that they will work for them. What will you do?
Firstly, if I talk about child labor, there is a law in our constitution to uh, reduce or to reduce the child labor. If I talk about uh, my effort, so I will try to encourage youth to pick that child who is doing work there, any restaurant or any factories or any mining work like that. So I would like to encourage the youth or our citizens to remove their child from there and put he or she in the school.
Okay, sir. I would like to ask you some question about a sport quota. As our children have a good, they are a good in sport, but they do not have any chance to develop their skill.
Develop their skills. Sports, if any child or girl or boys go to sports, they are increasing their skills. They are learning how to play, how to manage, how to balance their mind,
But their
how to
parents
defend.
says that they do not have any future in sport and academics.
No, it's wrong because our government provides the job to the sports persons and also we provide free education or to the sports person who will play at international level or an Olympic level.
Sir, at last I would like to ask, what will you do in next 5 years?
Vision about the next 5 years is to encourage the skill in our youth, which is facing some difficulties about their employment. So I would like to suggest to these our youth potentials to develop skill to go to skill university and skill courses which is run by our government all free of cost or some little costs. They can enroll himself or herself in that skill enhanced courses and they will start their own entrepreneurship or business and use their potential.
Sir, what will you say about GST?
GST, it's a indirect tax, which is it gives highest revenue to our government. But I would like to some changes in it because it affects to the lower or middle level of citizens because they don't have too much money to purchase some goods or services. A producer who shift the their tax on the buyers. So that's why I am thinking about to change some little bit and it makes direct tax to the producer or service provider.
Thank you, sir. It was like to do an interview.